Visualizing the standard format of a line requires you to be familiar somewhat with the slope of a standard form of a line, and that's m equals negative a over b, where a is the coefficient that precedes the x and b is the coefficient in front of the y, and it's got to be negative. And then you also need the x or y intercept, and the x or y intercepts can be gained by using what I call the double zero method. The double zero method means that you put a small chart saying x and y, and your x would be 0 and your y would be 0. So you'll have two data points. X is 0 and y is 0. When x is 0, that's your y-intercept. When y is 0, that's your x-intercept. Remember how I said that algebra is counterintuitive? This is one of those things. Anyhow, you solve your problem through standard format by setting x to 0, and then you just solve for y. The same is true for the x-intercept. You set the y 0 to 0 and you solve for x. And you could use the x and y intercepts to connect the line, or you could just take the slope and use one of the x and y intercepts to get your second point. And that's how you graph or you visualize it. I will say that anytime x and y, anytime your standard format equals 0, that's going to be a proportional line. The line's going to go through the origin.